Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can change photo tagging to anyone can tag you on X. So let's get started. Firstly, open X app in your device, then tap on your profile icon. Next tap on settings and privacy, then tap on privacy and safety. Next you can see the option of audience and tagging, tap on it. After that, tap on photo tagging. Then you can see the option of anyone can tag you, tap on it. So this is how you can change photo tagging to anyone can tag you on X. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day, so do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.